This video is brought to you by Etherpunks, your #1 source for academic educational material for the Ethereum Network. What is Ethereum? Ethereum can be described as a peer-to-peer cloud computer that is operated by volunteers. Just like any computer, Ethereum has storage and the ability to store and execute compact software programs called smart contracts. Because it is peer-to-peer, Ethereum is uncensorable, transparent, and permanent. In order to store data, deploy programs, or just interact with programs on the Ethereum network as a user, you can use software such as MetaMask, Mist, or Exodus. I prefer the MetaMask extension because it lets me use Ethereum in a traditional web browser like Chrome or Firefox. After you've installed and opened your Ethereum wallet software, the software will typically help you generate a new account. This is similar to your personal bank account. Each account has a public address and a private key. The public address for your account is also called the receive address because you can give that address to anybody else and they will be able to send Ether or other assets to it. The private key is a secret key and you should never ever reveal it to anyone else except for yourself. No exceptions. When you initiate a transaction on the Ethereum network, your wallet software will generate a mathematical signature, which is derived from your account's private key, and it will use that as a digital signature, but the private key itself is never revealed in the process. You can think of the private key like a personal signature generator. It's like a magical pen that you're using to sign your digital checks, transactions. It proves that you are you. Brand new Ethereum accounts start empty with 0 Ether inside. Without any Ether, you cannot complete any transactions. You cannot do anything. For an Ethereum transaction to be finalized by the volunteers who run the network, a small fee denominated in Ether is required. This is because there are many other people besides you trying to use the network for their own purposes, and the higher your transaction fee, the higher the incentives become for the volunteers to handle that transaction. If your transaction fee is 0, the other users' transactions will just keep skipping the line ahead of your queued, feeless transaction forever and ever. You can use websites such as ethgasstation.info to estimate the network gas fee that you should apply under your transaction for it to be mined. But most wallet softwares will handle this for you automatically. In order to fill up your Ethereum account with Ether and start using the Ethereum network, you can convert US dollars to Ether using a centralized platform such as Coinbase.com or Gemini.com, and then you can use that platform to withdraw that Ether to your public address of your personal Ethereum account. At any time, you can view the status of your Ethereum account on Explorer websites, such as etherscan.io. By pasting the public address of your Ethereum account into the search box in the upper right corner of Etherscan's website, and then completing the search, you can see all the balances and transactions related to your account. If you withdrew Ether into your public address as discussed, you will see that reflected on etherscan.io, because every transaction on the Ethereum network is public information and is recorded in the Ethereum blockchain forever. As a new user, I encourage you to visit etherscan.io and poke around, view other transactions, and see if you can figure out what's going on. It's a really good resource to be able to visualize the Ethereum network for visual learners. If you followed this guide from start to finish, you now have your own Ethereum account filled with Ether, and it is all ready to interact with the vast ecosystem of decentralized exchanges, ERC20 tokens, and NFTs. These topics will be covered in future videos. If you found value in this Etherpunks video, consider donating to the public address below.